you how to get free headless on Roblox. This is not clickbait. It's like fake headless, but it's real headless also. Looks very real is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, we're gonna be watching my brother Tan Man buy this, and I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe for more. So first, you're gonna be buying the all-seeing eye, which is only 49 Robux right now. And then once you buy the eye, you will go into your inventory and you will select the hair that you want. Make sure it's able to be able to cover the eye, so then you can't see the eye. Just like this. Go into hair, picking in hair, and look, guys, free headless right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I hope this was helpful for all of you.